Today we are going to design a flyer. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Press I key in your keyboard. Fill the color blue. Draw another rectangle. Fill the yellow color. Now I draw a circle. Select the both objects and get the Shape Builder tool. Hold the Alt key and click the area want to remove. Select the circle and set the fill color to white. I'm going to draw another circle. If you want to get image on Illustrator, follow these steps. Or you can simply drag and drop your image. Go to File, then click the Open. Select your image. Click Open. You can resize your image, hold Shift key and Alt key. Now simply drag and drop your image to the artboard. Now I'm going to create a clipping mask. Place the image behind the object by pressing the brackets key, along with the Control key. After that, select the image and object. Right-click your mouse, click on the Create a Clipping Mask. Double-click the image and you can change your image position. Now I'm going to add text on my flyer. Select the Text tool. Click your artboard and now you can type what you want. This charter panel you can change your text setting. As example, you can change size, line space, font family, and etc. You can get copy easily, hold the Alt key and click and drag. Now you can design own simple flyer design. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.